Alphabet soup. Comfort food. Simple comfort food. One of my favourite things. Really easy to make. Roughly cut everything about centimetre cubes. Notice how I'm squaring off the carrot. Always cut on a stable surface. Never try and cut something that's rolling around. Any vegetable scraps I save and use in stock. Peel the eggplant. One of my recent recipes I didn't peel eggplant and I regretted it. See how there's hardly any seeds? That means the eggplant won't be bitter. Doesn't matter what colour capsicum you use, but it does matter in what order you add the vegetables. So you don't want to put the capsicum in at the beginning, otherwise it'll go soggy. See how I'm taking the eye out of the tomato? This is a simple trick. Rather than trying to put a little knife in there and twist the tomato around, just cut it out like that. Beautiful vine ripened, locally grown tomato. I'm so lucky that I have a decent fruit and veg guy. It makes my life a lot easier. Note that I'm using the cauliflower stalk and flowerets. All of it tastes good. Don't waste anything if you can help it. Again, I'm using a fair bit more chilli than what other more normal people would use. So, eggplant, celery, carrot and onion. I'm using a non-stick pot. Saute them off. You want to get a little bit of colour in there, but you don't want it catching. Add your vegetable stock. Bring it to the rolling boil. As soon as it boils, you throw the pasta in. Boil it for another 6 minutes or so. Then you add the cauliflower. Boil it for another 2 minutes. Remove it from the heat and stir in the tomato and the capsicum. Then it's ready to serve. Serve it up and enjoy. Have a relatively large portion. It's pretty tasty.